Hi guys, Little Star here today, and just recently I ordered 2 of the Hades from Hercules, the Diamond Collection one, which is a Hot Topic exclusive, and I did manage to get the limited edition Chase version as well. So we'll look at the normal one first. Here's the front of the box. The side. Here's the back of the box and the other characters. And the other side. And then the Chase version is literally the same box style. Like so. But it comes with the Chase sticker. Right guys, let's unbox these. Right guys, so here they both are. I do really like the glitter on these. It's very bright. And there's his gown. This is in his normal, you can so-called happy form. I love the blue hair and the glitter. Just stands out. And his gown is glitter as well. Definitely a nice diamond collection. I like how his facial expression, got one eyebrow up. He's just got a chilled face. That was the normal one. And this is the Chase one, when he's angry. And I love how bright and red he is. And his eyes are just popping. His bright yellow hair. And the dark red gown that's glitter. Little patterns. He does have that little skull there. You can kind of see it. And I just like how he's got his fingers together, like he's got an evil plan. Right guys, so that was Hades, the Diamond Collection. Hot Topic exclusive, the normal and the Chase, which is amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the video.